3 trees of interest were planted here by Mrs. Minnie Johnson, an ardent gardener and among the earliest members of the Snohomish Garden Club. These 3 trees were curiosities at the time they were planted, and both the Franklinia and the monkey puzzle are now extinct or threatened in the wild. This rare tree was discovered growing along the banks of Georgia's Altamaha River in 1765 by celebrated American botanist John Bartram and his son William. After years of study, they determined it was a unique species and named the tree in honor of their friend, Benjamin Franklin, and the river beside which it was found. What happened to the Franklinia? The truth is, no one really knows. What can be agreed on at this point is that the Franklinia was probably very nearly extinct by the time Europeans arrived. Perhaps it was a rare remnant of glaciation. It may be that early botanists collected this already rare species out of existence. Settlement and clearing for cotton farming may have resulted in its demise. We do owe Bartram. Without him, this species may have disappeared entirely. The tree bears camellia-like flowers beginning in August and continues into October beyond first frosts. The fruit takes a long time to mature, needing 13 to 15 months on the tree to ripen. The tree can be propagated from seed, and though not common, it is available at better nurseries throughout the U.S. Reportedly, the comment, "It would puzzle a monkey to climb this tree," gave rise to the common name, the monkey puzzle tree. Araucana is after the Arauco Indians of central Chile, whose territory this species is native. This evergreen tree grows 3 to 5 feet in diameter and 100 to 130 feet in height. It may live as long as 1,000 years. Native to southern Chile and western Argentina, it provided food for indigenous peoples before contact. This is the national tree of Chile. Leaves of this tree may persist for 10 to 15 years. The female cones resemble pineapples and contain edible pine nuts, but they take 2 to 3 years to mature and don't appear until the tree is 30 to 40 years old. The tree was introduced into nursery commerce by Archibald Menzies, a Scottish physician who served as naturalist and surgeon on the ship Discovery on its voyage around the world under Captain Vancouver. One night, Mr. Menzies was dining out in Chile and was unable to identify some nuts on the table. He collected a few and germinated some on the voyage home. The resulting somewhat strange-looking plants quickly found their way into the rare plant collections of 18th century Europe. It is endangered now in its natural habitat due to logging, forest fires, and grazing. However, monkey puzzle grows well over a large area beyond its natural habitat, so has a potential as a food crop, though slow growth to maturity means return on investment is delayed a generation. Variety chinensis is native to China and is commonly called Chinese dogwood. It is a small, deciduous, flowering tree or multi-stemmed shrub that typically grows 15 to 30 feet tall with a vase-shaped habit in the early years, eventually maturing to a more rounded form as we see here. This tree never disappoints any time of the year. Oval pointed leaves emerge bright green, tinged in bronze, along slightly serrated edges. Mayflowers are followed by berry-like 1-inch fruit which mature to red in summer and persist into fall. Showy orange-red fall foliage is outstanding. Not to be overlooked, the mottled exfoliating tannin gray bark on mature trees is attractive year-round, and especially in winter.